Dear kids, today we will learn about the alphabet J. J says jam, J-A-M, jam. J says jug, J-U-G, jug. J says juice, J-U-I-C-E, juice. J says jacket, J-A-C-K-E-T, jacket. J says jelly, J-A-L-L-Y, jelly. J says jewelry, J-E-W-E-L-R-Y, jewelry. J says jeep, J-E-E-B, jeep. J says jellyfish, J-E-L-L-Y-F-I-S-H, jellyfish. J says jangle, J-U-N-G-L-E, jangle. J says jet, J-E-T, jet. J says charcoal, J-A-C-K-E-L, charcoal. J says jeans, J-E-A-N-S, jeans. J says chump, J-U-M-P, chump. J says jar, J-A-R, jar.
Damn.
Thanks for watching. Enjoy and subscribe our channel.